The track at a fitness center is 0.32 kilometers long. Jamie ran around the track 3.5 times. How many kilometers did Jamie run? Now, this may or may not be a calculator section, but I'm not going to use a calculator. I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. They want the answer as a decimal. So I'm going to keep you as a decimal and turn you into a decimal and multiply these guys together. 3.5 is 3.5. So I'm going to multiply 0.32 times 3.5. Now the nice thing about when you multiply decimals is you don't really have to worry too much about lining things up. You just have to remember about putting the zeros down with each new row. So I'm going to start with the bottom right number and multiply 5 to everything up here. 5 times 2 is 10. Write out a 0, carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. And since that's a 0, really don't need you, I'm going to write out 16. All right? Let's get rid of the 1 because, I don't want to accidentally use it again. And let's move to the next row where there's a 3. Now I have to include a 0 there and then get started. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Nothing carries over. Now what I do is I add these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12, so write out your 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11, so write down your 11. Now what's important here to remember is we had 1, 2, 3 decimals. So we go to the right and carry over 1, 2, 3 decimals, and you end up with 1.120, but that 0 at the end isn't important. So after all of this, we get 1.12, also read as 1 and 12 hundredths, which appears to be A.